How to set up Apple's HomePod speaker. The new HomePod speaker from Apple goes on sale Friday for $349. If you're planning on buying the premium Siri-powered music speaker, the first task you'll be faced with after unboxing is setting the thing up. It's not difficult, but it involves one very important decision. To kick things off, bring a compatible iOS device, running iOS 1.2.5 or later, in close proximity to the HomePod. A prompt with a 3D model of the HomePod should automatically appear on screen. If you've seen the AirPods pairing screen, this looks just like that. If you're a HomeKit user, the next steps will ask you to choose which home the HomePod is for. Most of us won't see this screen since we've only got one, and then specify the room it's in, depending on whether you're placing it in the living room, bedroom, kitchen, or someplace else. After this you'll see a prompt explaining the HomePod's personal requests feature. Pay attention to this part. If you turn personal requests on, anyone near the HomePod will be able to access and send text messages through the speaker's connection to your iPhone. They can also create notes, add reminders, and do other things involving your personal iCloud account. If you're at all concerned about privacy, you should disable personal requests until the HomePod can recognize individual voices and make a distinction between users. Right now, it can't do that.